Have you ever felt the panic of realizing your Facebook account has been hacked? Or are you worried it might happen to you? Well, you are not alone. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of recovering your hacked Facebook account, so you don't lose your data, photos, or connection. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and tools to take control of your account, recover it, and protect it from future attacks. Stay tuned because we will cover everything from identifying suspicious activity to verifying your identity and securing your account with some bonus tips. Make sure to watch all the way through and hit that like button if you find this guide helpful. I'm Badepaderohim from Badge Guide. Let's get started. Section 1. How to identify if your account has been hacked. In this first step, let me talk about how you can tell if your Facebook account has been hacked. The best way to recognize the sign early is by 1. Unfamiliar account activity. Have you noticed posts, friend requests, or messages you didn't send? This could mean someone else has access to your account. 2. Changes to personal information. Did you find that your emails or phone number has been changed without your permission? This is a major red flag. 3. Unusual login alert. If you have received alert from Facebook about logins from strange devices or locations, that is another sign that your account may have been compromised. If any of these signs sound familiar, don't panic. I am going to go through what to do in my next section, section 2. Let's now talk about step-by-step guide to recover your account. The first step in recovering your hacked Facebook account is to use the forgotten password option. To use the forgotten password option, go to the Facebook login page and click on forgotten password. This will prompt you to enter the email or phone number linked to your account. Once you input your email or phone number, Facebook will send you a password reset link or code. Check your inbox and follow the instruction to reset your password. If you are having trouble accessing your email or phones, Facebook has options for verifying your identity. You can choose to verify using your trusted contacts. If you set them up earlier, Facebook will send a code to your trusted contacts, and you can use that to confirm your identity. If that didn't work, try finding your account on a device you have used to log in before. This next part is most helpful if you can use a device you have used to log in to Facebook before. This might be your own phone or computer, or it could be an old phone or a familiar member's laptop. If you can get access to that device, try these steps. On a device you have used to log in before, type facebook.com/login/identify into your usual browser. Enter an email address or a mobile phone number. It can be the one you usually use to log in or any other that you think would be registered to the account. If that doesn't work, try entering your account name or username. If you don't know your username, you could ask a friend to go to your profile and send you the username found in the URL. If you find your account, follow this step. Select no longer have access to this. If you can't see this, you might see forgot account or recover instead. Follow the prompt. You may be asked to provide new contact information. The contact information you provide must not have been used for your Facebook account before. Follow the prompts to confirm that the account you are trying to recover belongs to you. Once you have successfully passed all these security checks, follow the instruction to reset your password. Try to choose something that is easy for you to remember but hard for other people to guess about. If you are still having trouble, you can report your account as hacked. Reporting a hacked Facebook account is an essential step to secure your information and regain control. Here is a detailed guide on how to do this through Facebook's Help Center. Open your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox or Safari. In the address bar, type facebook.com/hacked and press enter. The link will take you directly to the Facebook Help Center account hacked page. This page is designed to help users who believe their account has been compromised. On the Help Center page, you will see a prompt with option "My account is compromised." Tap on it to proceed. You will be asked to log into your Facebook account. Enter your username and password. Now that you have regained access to your Facebook account, it is time to protect your account to prevent future hacks. For more details on this, you can check my video on how to protect your Facebook account from hackers. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips to keep your account safe in the future. 1. Stay vigilant against phishing scams. Always be cautious when clicking links in emails or messages. If it looks suspicious, double check the URL before entering any personal information. 2. Regularly update your password. Change your password every few months or avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. 3. Be mindful of public Wi-Fi. Avoid logging into your Facebook account over public Wi-Fi unless you are using a secure VPN service. 4. Use a password manager. Consider using a password manager to create and store complex passwords securely. This will make it easier to use strong, unique password for each of your accounts. Hope this video helped you regain control of your hacked Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow tech guide and tutorial. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family who might need it. Also, leave a comment below if you have any question or want to share your own experience with account security. I love reading your thoughts and helping out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.